Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl introducing Melissa, and I am a proud member of Team Coochie Crack Crew. It's officially that time of year. Cuffing season is here, nesting season, and Halloween was yesterday. With that saying, the best gift that you give yourself and that special someone is taking care of her. And yes, I mean her. Every woman has a special name for her. And don't ask me about mine if you ain't my man, okay? And the best way to take care of her is using clay. These are the materials you will need. Step 1, wash hands. Step 2, sterilize equipment. Step 3, get a scoop of the product and put it in a bowl. Make sure that the bowl is not metal. Step 4, put your water into the bowl with your clay and mix it. Make sure that you do not overwater it. It needs to be a Play-Doh consistency. Step 5, take the clay dough that you have made in the bowl, put it in your gauze, roll it up into a ball in your gauze. All right, there you have it. Then you put it up your vagina for 30 minutes, and there you have it.